Hello, future English speakers. Our fun word today is canary melon. Repeat after me. Canary melon. You're doing great. Keep it up. What is a canary melon? It's a big, sweet, bright yellow fruit. Example: we bought a delicious canary melon from the farmer's market. So yummy. Want to use it? The vibrant yellow rind of the canary melon makes it stand out among other fruits. This means it's super bright. You can say this. Another way to say it, yellow honeydew, and it rhymes a bit with fell on. Fun word facts. This word comes from the Canary Islands. Canary sounds like the yellow bird. Melon means fruit. So, a yellow fruit from an island. You are learning so fast. Keep practicing your new words. Visit tensehub.com for more fun lessons today. See you then.